Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So I just got home and LasFit just sent me a package. So let's open it, see what's inside it, and install it on the truck. I opened it, let's see what's inside. There we go. Now it's open. So they sent me some RockLights. Let's unbox and see what's in here. It's a big ass box. Alright, let me open it and then we'll get back to you. These are the RockLights. I wonder what's in here. I'm too excited. I need to open this first. Okay, last one. Last tape. I wish I had a tripod. So I can have two phones. Okay. Thank you again for LasFit for sending me these RockLights. I will leave a link to all this in the description below. Go check them out. They have other stuff. They have floor mats. I'll show you guys really quick. These are the formats they send me. Great quality. Go check them out. I will leave a link down in the description, so if you guys want to go check them out. Alright, let's unbox these. So all these are RockLights. Oh, these are RockLights. They came with zip ties too, that's nice. Zip ties, cover, bolts. Where's it? And the RockLight. So some nice RockLights. It's like metal. It's nice quality. LasFit, and thank you for the sponsor. Let's go ahead and unbox all these and then I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, it's been a couple of days since I finished installing these LasFit RockLights. Kind of forgot to record how to install them, but it was pretty easy to install. Just run the wires to a battery and then they have a switch, but I did not install the switch because I have a one of these switch panels, so it's set to here. Let me see if it'll turn on. Yeah, hold on. Okay. Yeah, see, even in the daytime you can see them, they're still bright. I'll put a picture up on the screen of nighttime. You guys can see they are bright. So if you guys want them, I'll leave a link in the description below for you guys. Go check them out. And thank you again for LasFit for sending me these beautiful RockLights.